The average professional is interrupted 275 times a day. And that's according to the 2025 Microsoft Work Trends Report. In other words, every 2 minutes, our attention is pulled in a different direction, 270 times a day. And like many people, I used to feel completely overwhelmed by this constant stream of distractions. It made it hard to focus, think clearly, or to follow through on key goals I was trying to achieve. So in this video, I'll show you how the 12-week year helps you break out of this cycle and replace overwhelm with peak performance. Okay, picture this for a moment. Two types of people at work. The first one, Steve, clocks in at 9 a.m. ready to start his day. 5 minutes in, an email notification pops up. Worried he might miss something important, he opens it. And before we know it, one email turns into 6 back and forth replies, followed by a quick 30-minute meeting and another 15 minutes of hallway chit-chat. By noon, his entire morning has been hijacked, not by a crisis, by an innocent-looking email that wasn't even a priority for him. This happens almost every day for Steve. Now, what do you think are the chances that Steve can make real progress on the thing that actually mattered to him? You guessed it, close to zero. Now let's look at Jane. She walks into work at 9 a.m. too, but she's not winging it. Same email arrives. Did you hear a notification ping? No, we didn't hear anything. Did Jane even glance at the email? Of course not. Why is that? Because Jane designs her days, her weeks, and her quarters using a system built for peak performance. Jane anchors her present with a deep 3-year vision. Her goals for the quarter and the week are already defined. Her calendar, structured with strategic time blocks, reflects her top priorities, guided by the system she follows. And yes, there's still a planned buffer slot at 12:30 p.m. dedicated to checking emails, messages, and other routine tasks, so they never cut into her focused work. By noon, Jane has already made measurable progress toward her most important goals. So what's the real difference between Steve and Jane? Why does Steve feel overwhelmed while Jane feels in control? Steve moves through his days reacting to whatever appears. His time isn't structured, his goals aren't clear, and his attention is constantly pulled in different directions. He's busy, but not really productive. Jane made a different choice. She decided to be proactive, to design her goals, her time, and her priorities around what truly matters to her. That's how she beats overwhelm and consistently achieves far greater results than Steve. And you can't do this without a complete integrated system. Not another productivity hack, not a time management trick, not bursts of short-lived motivation. Those only add more noise. What you need is one coherent framework that covers and connects everything. It starts with a vivid, emotionally anchored vision, then clearly defined goals, a practical execution plan, simple but reliable scorekeeping, and built-in accountability. And that's what the 12-week year delivers, a system designed to bring structure, clarity, and control to the way you work and basically live your life. And that is the difference between constant overwhelm and peak performance. And there's no better system, and I've tested all of them. I tried all of them, and I worked with so many people.